How to use tags, status, and drop-down columns in Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the columns in your favor on Monday.com. So we're going to talk about three principal columns that we can add into the boards. So the first thing that we are going to do is to head over Monday.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the dashboard. Once we have been here, we're going to head over the left side of the screen and we're going to choose one of the workspaces that we have. So I have already chosen my workspace, and what I am going to do next is going to click on one of the boards. If you do not have already a board, you can go ahead and add it by clicking on the blue button, which is going to be add item to our workspace. Select boards. You can start with a, let's say blank board, or you can start with a template. So for the templates, we are going to have a variety of things. Each one of the templates are going to be having a lot of columns, and from them we have the drop down menu or the drop down columns, statuses, and also tags. Now, let's say that I have added already a column, or basically a board, which is going to have columns just like that. Now, I'm going to let you see the columns. These are going to be the columns because they are going to contain maybe numbers, digits, or maybe names, letters, and each one of the columns is going to be having something. We have text columns, we have, let's say, calculation columns, and etc. Now, we're going to click on the plus button on the end of the, as you can see, columns, add column. We're going to find here the search bar and also the type of the columns. We can click on more columns to get a perfect view for all the columns that are available. So to start with, we can start with the tags. So we can go ahead and click on or type in tag, and it is going to have the category of team power up, and it is going to be the tags. You can add it to the board, and it is going to help you categorize items across multiple boards. So whenever you are going to have a tag for a column, you're going to have, for example, let's say hashtag project or hashtag YouTube, for example. You're going to bring it up into another project or another board. It is going to show you here a link directly to this specific column. So you're going to find the information or the necessary things or items that are situated into other columns into another space. Now, the second one is going to be the status. So you're going to type in status. It is going to be on the compartment of the essentials, and it is going to give you an instant overview of where things stand. For example, I'm going to give you here the status. You can see that we're going to have multiple statuses, or for example, I'm going to choose another board which is going to be much simpler. So as you can see, this is a status. You can see that we have, depending on the status or the real time progression of this specific project or this task, it is going to give you here some labels and also some colorations. You can edit the labels, add new labels, and select or change the coloration of it. And depending on the status, you can go ahead and create some automations. For example, in my case, if I am going to create, or we have a working on, for example, let's say here, this is going to be a working on task. I'm going to put it on done. It is going to run up an automation which is going to take it onto the group right there, which is going to be the done. You can go ahead and manage the automation by heading over automate and select or create an automation depending on the status, which is going to be the trigger. Now, aside from that, we're going to move on to the drop downs. So we are going to click on add columns, and then we are going to type in on the search or click on more columns, drop down, and it is going to be on the board power-ups. So it is going to let you set up a drop-down list of options. For example, it is going to give you here a variety of options to classify maybe a board. The three, let's say, columns that we have cited in this video, like the tags, the status, and also the drop-down, are going to be classifying columns. So whatever you're going to put the column of or the specific task on, it is going to classify it and also make it easier to find. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.